Hey guys, in this video I fix a couple of really big rust holes on the fenders left and right, and I replace the wood trim around the bed, and I also replace both door checks. Here you can see the rust hole on the driver's side fender panel. Here you can see all the rust has been cut out, and that bottom piece has been shaped and welded in. Here I've tacked in a sheet metal patch. Here I've ground down the wells, but I've still got a few holes that I got to go back and patch. And here's what it looks like after it's been painted. And it's not perfect, but it's pretty good, and it fits in with the rest of the patina. And here's the finished patch on the passenger side. Again, not perfect, but pretty good. Here you can see the wood on the side is really weathered and pretty poor shape. Here you can see I've replaced the wood strips on the side, stained them kind of a reddish orange color, and sealed them up nice so they'd weather well. And I think it goes pretty well with the original color of the truck and the patina. Here you can see the dents in the door caused by the door swinging too wide open. So we're going to have to replace the door checks to keep that from happening. So here you can see to get the door check in, we're going to have to remove the inner panel of the door, take off the door handle, the window crank, and all these Phillips screws around the outer periphery. For those of you who might have missed it when I replaced the side vent, for removing those stuck screws on the inside of the door panel, I use this little handheld impact driver. What's nice about that is you hit it with a hammer and it forces the bit into the screw slots as it turns, thereby pretty much preventing stripping the screw. Use this little gadget on my motorcycle quite a bit, and sure came in handy here. For removing the door handles, they're held on with set screws and kind of hard to get at, so I use this long screwdriver with an extension and with the Allen head bit attached. Here you can see we've already got the arm removed. All we had to do was bang out this pin. Here you can see there's just two Allen head screws holding the support plate onto the door, and we'll take those out. Here you can see the problem. Here we line up the pins here, and you can see the new one here is shorter than the one that was in there, allowing the door to open too far. So we'll just fix that right now. Okay, the new door check's in. The pin is back in through the new arm. Still have to tighten the screws in there, but you can see fully extended. The door does no longer hits the front fender, so it's doing its job. In the next video, I replaced the drop spindles with stock height spindles to raise the truck back up to stock height.